Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending phonemes, so get your choppers ready. I'll say 3 sounds, you repeat the sounds, and then together we'll blend the word. Here we go. B, it, bit, l, I, d, lid, m, I, x, mix, r, I, p, rip, m, I, s, miss, r, I, m, rim, f, I, n, fin, w, ag, wag, z, ap, zap. Good job. Let's get ready to roller coaster some words. Remember, regular voice, loud middle vowel sound, regular voice for the ending consonant sound. The first word is hip. Ip. The second word is fit. It. Rim. Im. Pig. Ig. Win. In. Pill. Ill. 6. Ix. And did. Id. Good. Now we need our choppers again. We're going to get ready to segment some phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll chop each sound. Hit, it, fin, it, will, it, rim, it, miss, it, rip, it, mix, x, lid, lid, bit, bit, lick, lick. Good job. Now we're going to substitute phonemes, so get your fists ready. I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is tin. Change t to p. Pin. The word is dim. Change d to p. Him. The word is sip. Change s to d. Dip. The word is miss. Oops, sorry, the word is miss. Change to p. Hiss. The word is pick. Change p to s. Sick. Good job. All right, now we're going to add beginning phonemes. So we'll start with the ending rhyme part of the word, and then we'll add a phoneme to it to make a new word. The word is im. Add h to the beginning. Him. The word is id. Add l to the beginning. Lid. The word is add. Add s to the beginning. Sad. The word is axe. Add w to the beginning. Wax. The word is mix. Add to the beginning. Mix. Good. Last exercise, we're deleting phonemes. So we'll say the word and then we're going to remove the beginning sound and see what we're left with. The word is bat without b. The word is at. The word is fin without f. The word is in. The word is ram without r. The word is am. The word is will without w. The word is ill. The word is sit without s. The word is it. Good job today. Don't forget to practice your poem.